Hello everyone. Today we will discuss peripheral neural system. Peripheral neural system. PNS. Peripheral neural system. Peripheral neural system. The PNS is formed by neurons. Formed by the nerves. The peripheral nervous system is formed by the nerves. That nerve, the PNS associated with the peripheral nervous system is formed by the nerves. The PNS is formed by the nerves or neurons. So the PNS is associated with brain. Means spinal neurons. Brain means cranial neurons. Cranial neurons and spinal cord. And spinal cord. So these neurons are called as spinal neurons. Spinal neurons. So the PNS is formed by the nerves. The PNS is formed by the neurons, the neural system. So PNS is formed by the neurons. So the PNS is associated with brain and spinal cord. The PNS, a peripheral nervous system, is associated with brain and spinal cord. So the brain, that neurons is called as cranial neurons. Brain with neurons are called as cranial neurons, and the spinal cord, the neurons is called as spinal neurons. Cranial neurons and spinal neurons. First one, cranial neurons. Cranial neurons. The cranial neurons are associated with the brain. The cranial neurons are emerging from the brain. The cranial neurons that are associated with brain. That are associated with brain. So that are associated with brain. So these neurons are called as cranial neuron. The cranial neuron are associated with brain. The cranial neurons are associated with brain. So these neurons enter or emerging from cranium. So these neurons are called as cranial neurons. So the neurons are associated with the brain. The cranial neurons are associated with the brain, but these neurons are enter or emerging from the cranium. So these are the cranium. The neurons are entering from the cranium or exit from the cranium. So these neurons are called as cranial neurons. So the human being contain 12 pairs of cranial neurons. Human being contain 12 pairs of cranial neurons. 12 pairs of cranial neurons. So the human being contain how many number? So the 12 pairs of. So the human being contain 12 pairs of cranial neurons. Human being contain 12 pairs of cranial neurons. First one, 12 pairs of neuron. First one, olfactory neuron. Second one, optic neuron. Third one, oculomotor neuron. Olfactory nerve, optic nerve, and oculomotor neuron. Olfactory nerve, optic nerve, oculomotor nerve. olfactory nerve. Next one, optic nerve. First one, olfactory nerve. First one, olfactory nerve. Second one, optic nerve. Third one, oculomotor nerve. Third one, oculomotor nerve. Next one, fourth one, trochlear nerve. Trochlear nerve. Fourth one, trochlear nerve. Next, fifth one, trigeminal nerve. Trigeminal nerve. Trigeminal nerve. Next one, sixth one, abducens nerve. Sixth one, abducens nerve. Abducens nerve. Sixth one, abducens nerve. Next one, seventh one, facial nerve. Seventh one, facial nerve. Facial nerve. Seventh one, facial nerve. Next one, eighth one, vestibulocochlear nerve. Eighth one, vestibulocochlear nerve. Vestibulocochlear nerve. Next one, ninth one, glossopharyngeal nerve. Ninth one, glossopharyngeal nerve. Next one, 10th one, vagus nerve. 10th one, vagus nerve. 10th one, vagus nerve. Next one, 11th one, spinal accessory nerve. 11th one, spinal accessory nerve. Next one, 12th one, hypoglossal nerve. Hypoglossal nerve. So these are the 12 pairs of the nerves presenting on the cranium. Cranial nerves are the 12 pairs. First one, olfactory nerve. First one, olfactory nerve. Second one, optic nerve. First one, olfactory nerve. Second one, optic nerve. Third one, oculomotor nerve. Third one, oculomotor nerve. Fourth one, trochlear nerve. Fourth one, trochlear nerve. Fifth one, trigeminal nerve. Fifth one, trigeminal nerve. Sixth one, abducens nerve. Sixth one, abducens nerve. Seventh one, facial nerve. Seventh one, facial nerve. Eighth one, vestibulocochlear nerve. Eighth one, vestibulocochlear nerve. Next one, ninth one, glossopharyngeal nerve. Ninth one, glossopharyngeal nerve. Tenth one, vagus nerve. Tenth one, vagus nerve. 11th one, spinal accessory nerve. 11th one, spinal accessory nerve. Next one, 12th one, hypoglossal nerve. 12th one, hypoglossal nerve. So the cranial nerves are the 12 pairs. So they are the 12 pairs of the cranial nerves. Next one, cranial nerves are the functionally 3 types. Cranial nerves functionally 3 types. Functionally 3 types. Functionally 3 types. One is the sensory. One is the sensory nerves. Second one, a motor nerve. Second one, a motor nerve. Third one, a mixed nerve. Third one, a mixed nerve. Third one, mixed nerve. Sensory nerves, motor nerve, and sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Sensory, motor, and mixed nerves. First one, sensory nerves. So sensory nerves are the 1, 2 and 8. 1 to 8 nerves are the sensory nerves. Next one, motor nerves. Motor nerves are the 3, 4, 6, 11 and 12. So these are the motor nerves. Next one, mixed nerves. So the mixed nerves are remaining. Mixed nerve. Fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Fifth one, seventh one, ninth one. Ninth one. So these are the mixed nerves. Fifth, seventh and ninth nerves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10th nerve. 9th and 10th nerve. 9th and 10th nerves. So they are the mixed nerves. Sensory nerves, motor nerve and mixed nerves. Sensory, motor and mixed nerves. So the sensory nerves are the 1, 2, 3. Sensory nerves are the 1, 2, 8. Sensory nerves. So these are the sensory nerve. So these are the sensory nerve. Next one, 8th one also sensory nerve. 1 to 8 are the sensory nerves. Next one, 3, 4, 6, 8. So they are the motor nerve. 4th one motor nerve. 6th one motor nerve. 11, 12. 11th one motor nerve and 12th one also motor nerve. 11, 12. So they are the motor nerve. Remaining 5th one. 5th one is the mixed nerve. 5th one mixed nerve. 5th one mixed nerve and 7th one mixed nerve and 9, 10. 9th one also mixed nerve and 10th one also mixed nerve. So these are the 12 pairs of the neurons. So the cranium contains 12 pairs of the cranial neurons. So these cranial neurons are the functionally 3 types: sensory neurons, motor neurons, mixed neurons. Sensory, motor and mixed neurons. Sensory neurons, so they are the 1 to 8. 1 to 8. So these neurons are the sensory neurons. Next one, motor neurons. Motor neurons are the 3rd, 4th, 6th, 9th, 11 and 12. 3rd, 4th, 6th, 11, 12. Remaining mixed neurons are the 5th, 7th, 9, 10. So they are the mixed neurons. Next one, sensory neurons. Sensory neurons means, so these are the impulse. So they are sending from the sensory organ to central nervous system. So these are impulse sending from the sensory organs. Sensory organs. Sensory organs to central nervous system. So they are impulses sending from the sensory organs to central nervous system. Sensory organs, for example, so they are the skin. So they are the sensory organ. So they are the impulse the sensory organs to sending from the central nervous system. Next one, motor neurons. Motor neuron means, so they are the impulse from the central nervous system to. So they are the central nervous system to sensory organs. Sensory organs. Sensory organs. Sensory organs. Central nervous system to sensory organs. Central nervous system to sensory organs. They are the sending from the impulse. They are sending from the impulse. Next one, mixed neurons. So next one, mixed neurons. So these mixed neurons, impulse sending from the 2 types of the impulse sending from the mixed neurons. So the sensory organs to central nervous system and central nervous system to sensory organs. So these are the mixed neuron means, so they are the 2 functions, either sensory function and motor function. Sensory function and motor function. So they are the peripheral neural system. So the peripheral neural system, so they are the associated with they are the peripheral nervous system containing neurons. That neurons are associated with brain and spinal cord. That neurons are the brain and spinal cord. So the brain neurons are called as cranial neurons. So the spinal neurons is called as spinal neurons. Spinal neurons are called as spinal neurons. Specifically cranial neurons. So that cranial neurons associated with brain. The cranial neurons are associated with brain. So the cranial neurons are associated with brain. So these cranial neurons entering or emerging from the brain. Entering and emerging from the brain. Enter and emerging from the brain. Next one. So these neurons are the 12 pairs. The cranial neurons are the 12 pairs. Cranial neurons are the 12 pairs. So these 12 pairs, first one olfactory nerve, first one olfactory nerve, second one optic nerve, second one optic nerve, third one oculomotor nerve, fourth one trochlear nerve, fifth one trigeminal nerve, sixth one facial nerve, sixth one abducens nerve, seventh one facial nerve, eighth one vestibulocochlear nerve, ninth one glossopharyngeal nerve, tenth one vagus nerve, 11th one spinal accessory nerve, 12th one hypoglossal nerve. So they are the 12 pairs of the neuron. Next one, so they are the functions of the neuron we will discuss next class.